Hey, so I'm a huge Mario fan. Let's go ahead and make some Luigi. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and try to build out his basic head shape here. As a avid gamer and a big Mario fan, I kind of know generally the proportions here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull. Let's go ahead and just make his head a bit long here. The whole face is basically just a slope with a nose on it. This is an appendage IMM. Basically just a elongated sphere and then created an IMM out of it. Let's go make this sharpened area. There we go, doing a nice inflate here. Let's create a peak. For the eye area, it's basically just big ovals. So you have like these eyes that are just pulling right around the nose area. So it's kind of notice if you think about it, it's like cutting a third. Start up right here. Okay. It kind of ends a little bit more flatly, so I'm going to go ahead and just bring it down. See how kind of this nice and rounded shape? Almost everything in Mario is nice and rounded. It's very kind of kid-friendly shape, language. All right, so for the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and start here. So it's looking like there's a little bit of a lip going on here, quite rounded here. So yeah, just this lower lip area. Let me go ahead and see what I'm doing a little bit better. The eyebrows are kind of like what we already did for the mustache, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this up here. Do a flippity flip, sink it down here. I think it's actually gonna work. That totally worked. Further up like this, right where the eye would be, so like right around that zone. That looks correct. Now I can just kind of sharpen off this outside of the eyebrow here. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, because I don't want to paint this, I'm gonna go ahead and just carve in the eyes here. I'm going to just start it up like this, nice and round oval. The iris in the center, and then inside that we'll do that little. Yeah, I expect. There we go. I think he needs some mirrors. Let's stretch it right about here. About 1/3 on the eye and the mustache. So we're something like, there we go, something like that. That's about the height level anyway. So I'm going to use the clay buildup and then do another one right here. Let's get these hairs in there. I think Luigi needs some Rogaine. Let's build his hat. It's a bit puffy. Clip this. I'm literally just duplicating the zone for that trim here. Let's go ahead and make this wider. And one last little step, the back of his hair. I'm just gonna grab his sideburns. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just his fours here. Just a little bit straighter up there. Heck yeah.